In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow any group member to sign a document in DocuSign. This is a handy feature if you manage a team and want to distribute the responsibility of signing documents among multiple members without designating a specific person each time. We'll walk through each step to ensure the process is clear and simple. First, let's head over to the DocuSign homepage. If you haven't already done so, log into your account. You'll find yourself on the familiar dashboard where all the main actions start. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the screen. There you should see an option labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the administrative dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your DocuSign account, from user permissions to document settings. From the admin panel, direct your attention to the sidebar on your left. You'll see a variety of options, but we're going to focus on groups. Clicking on groups will lead you to a list of all the groups that have been set up in your DocuSign account. This is where you can configure settings specific to different teams or organizational units. Now, you'll need to identify the group whose settings you want to modify so that any member can sign documents. Select that group and you'll notice an Actions button appear. Click on Actions to reveal a drop-down menu that provides different options related to group management. Within the options that appear, locate and click on Users. This will display all the users who are members of the selected group. Reviewing your group members here is always a good practice in case you need to make any updates or ensure everyone who should be in the group is there. After you've got a sense of your group and its members, look for the Permissions All option in the user interface. Clicking on this will let you manage the permission sets for your group. Be sure to find the option called All and select it. This will grant permissions to all your group members equally, making it easy for anyone in the group to sign documents. Finally, after you have verified that the correct permissions are selected, hit Apply to save these settings. This confirms your changes and ensures that all group members now have the ability to sign documents shared with them. Double check to make sure the settings are active and you're done. By following these steps, you've now successfully configured your DocuSign groups to allow any member to sign documents. This setup not only saves you time, but also offers flexibility within your team, making document management smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy signing.